Downtown are shy of 40, which actually isn't as bad compared to yesterday morning. We're slowly getting a little bit warmer here. Mid-30s at Hopkins. We'll have a north wind through the day, but it'll be fairly calm, so we don't have to talk much about a wind chill. Look at this. So we've got some breaks in the clouds to our west. I think I have to go look out towards our Avon camera and see if we're starting to see some breaks out in the clouds there, because I do think we'll be seeing some slow clearing through the day today. So hour by hour temperatures are in the 40s. We're talking 50s and 60s. Some big changes heading into early next week. I'll talk about when that'll come with some rain and storm chances, though, here in just a few minutes. 60 degrees, and it's just not 60 degrees, and then it will be 60 degrees for a day, and then it gets cold again. So unfortunately, that's the pattern that we are stuck in right now. So we are slowly climbing the next couple of days. So a little warmer today than we were yesterday. Sunday, we're in the 50s. I think Sunday is going to be a very nice day. There could be a spot shower or two, but mid-50s. We're real warm Monday. That's going to be ahead of a strong system, though, that comes through and brings rain and rumble chances. Drops temperatures back down. There is a chance for snow early Wednesday morning before the temperatures shoot back up. And the latest data is actually pushing us into the 60s on Good Friday, but that'll come with another storm system that'll bring some rain and rumble chances for the first part of the weekend. Do want to end on some good news here, though, when looking at that trend. It does look like we're drier and warmer for Easter Sunday. I know there's a lot of Easter egg hunts this weekend, and the good news is it's not too wet out there. It's just a little chilly, so you'll have to bundle up. So again, today, slow clearing, highs in the mid-40s. Tomorrow, we're milder with a spot shower chance. We'll be in the 50s, and then the scattered storm chances move in for your Monday. So right now, again, we've got the leftover cloud cover here. High pressure is building in when I turn on the temperature tracker, so it's keeping the cooler air in place. It's keeping the north wind around. Off to our west and a little bit farther northwest here, that's a warm front that's going to be lifting through, eventually bringing in some warmer air. But with warmer air and those changing conditions, it sometimes can bring the threat for some stronger storms. Notice for Monday here, Cleveland, we're not in the risk area. Doesn't mean we won't see a shower or thunderstorm, but it's going to be really areas south of Akron, south of US 30, that we've got a better opportunity for some of these storms to produce some gusty winds and maybe a little bit of hail too. So something we're watching here in terms of timing. But again, we will see some thunderstorms with those warmer temperatures as we head through your Monday. Hour by hour this afternoon, again, a little bit of drizzle early this morning. Here's that clearing. There is a full moon tonight. It's called the full pink moon. It won't be pink. It's just called pink because of this is typically when we start to see the blossoms of spring. So full moon, it's technically the smallest full moon of the year, but unless you have a telescope, you really won't notice the difference. It'll look pretty full, but you should get a good view of that with the clouds clearing out. Wake up temperatures tomorrow morning. They will be cold. We'll have that mix of clouds, and again, here's that spot shower chance. Notice that First Alert Future View is keeping it mainly off to the west here. So I don't think everybody's going to see rain. And then we've got more ups and downs through the work week. We'll break down what's happening as we head closer to Easter coming up here in the next 10 minutes.